Hello friends, in this video we continue to learn new words in Kashmiri and we will specifically focus on family and relations. Let's get going. Grandfather in Kashmiri is Budibab. Bude Bab. Budibab. Grandmother is Nine. Nine. Now remember, you will use both Budibab and Nine for both maternal and paternal grandfather and grandmother. We know father is mole, mother is merge, brother is boy, and sister is bin. Now, in some cases, when we have to describe step brother, step sister, stepmother, or stepfather, we add the word vor. So it becomes vor boy, vor bin, vor merge, and vor mole for step brother, step sister, stepmother, and stepfather. Now the relations. From the father's side, father's brother is called as Peter. Peter. Father's brother's wife is called as Pechin. Pechin. Father's sister is called as Poff. Poff. Father's sister's husband is called as Poffu. Popfu. Mother's brother is called as Mom. Mom. Mother's brother's wife is called as Mamain. Mamain. Mother's sister is called as Mas. Mas. Mother's sister's husband is called as Masu. Masu. The brother and sister for these cousin relationships depends upon whose son or daughter we are describing. For example, the son of Petur and Pechin is Pitur boy. The daughter of Petur and Pechin is Pitur benye. In the same way, the son of Poff and Poffu is Poftur boy, and the daughter of Poff and Poffu is Poftur benye. Then the son of Mam and Maman is Mamtur boy, and the daughter of Mam and Maman is Mamtur benye. Finally, the son of Mas and Masu is Mastur boy, and the daughter of Mas and Masu is Master benye.